everyone. Welcome back to the SpeakUp Show. I'm Lily.
And I'm Jack. And today we're talking about something super useful. Travel tips, what to pack and why.
Yes, whether you're going on a short trip or a long vacation, knowing what to pack makes traveling so much easier.
And today we'll teach you easy English phrases, practical vocabulary, and some fun tips so you never forget the important things.
Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our English learning videos.
All right, let's open our suitcases and start packing.
Jack, every time we travel, you pack way too much stuff.
Hey, I like being prepared. Last time I packed 3 jackets because weather is unpredictable.
It was summer, Jack.
Weather is very unpredictable.
Okay, let's help our viewers learn how to pack smartly. Let's start with the basics. So, Jack, what's the first thing you pack?
Clothes. Always clothes. I usually say pack light, but pack smart.
Great phrase. Pack light means don't pack too much. And pack smart means choose useful things.
Exactly. I like to pack 2 to 3 t-shirts, 1 pair of jeans, comfortable shoes, and a hoodie.
And don't forget underwear and socks, very important.
Yes. When I teach English, I tell students always pack the essentials. Essentials means the basic things you must have.
Good word, essentials. For clothes, think about comfort. For example, I need something comfortable for walking.
Or I want something warm for the evening.
Okay, next, toiletries. Toiletries means bathroom items like toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo.
Toiletries are super important, but travel size items are the best.
Yeah, travel size means small bottles that are easy to carry.
Here are some useful phrases. Do you have a travel size shampoo? Or I need a small bottle for my liquids.
Ooh, and remember airport rules. Usually, liquids must be in small bottles, around 100 milliliters.
Lily learned that the hard way. She once had to throw away her expensive lotion at the airport.
Don't remind me. I'm still sad. Let's talk about electronics. Phones, chargers, power banks.
Ah, yes, the important things. If I forget my toothbrush, okay. But if I forget my charger, I'm finished.
Same. So here are some phrases you can use. Did you bring a charger? I need an adapter. My power bank is empty.
An adapter is something that lets you use your plug in another country. Different countries have different plugs.
And always bring earphones. Perfect for flights, buses, or boring conversations with Jack.
Hey, that hurts.
Now the most important part, documents.
Yes, never forget your passport, ID, tickets, hotel booking, travel insurance.
And here's a super useful phrase, keep your documents in one safe place.
I like using a small travel pouch, something that hangs around your neck.
Smart. And always double check your passport. Say, let me check my passport again.
Triple check if you're like me. I check my passport every 10 minutes.
That's true. Last trip, he checked it so many times, even the passport got tired. Next, medicine.
Always take basic medicine. Painkillers, stomach medicine, Band-Aids, your personal medication.
Great phrase here, just in case. It means bring something for possible problems.
Right. For example, I'm taking medicine just in case I get sick.
Okay, Jack, your moment has come. Snacks.
Yes. Listen, snacks are important. When you're tired or waiting in long lines, snacks save your life.
Useful words. Snacks, energy bar, bottle of water.
And a useful phrase, I always carry snacks when I travel.
Jack carries enough snacks for a small army.
Prepared traveler.
Let's give some simple packing tips. Tip 1, roll your clothes.
Rolling clothes saves space.
And keeps clothes from getting too wrinkled.
Tip 2, keep heavy items at the bottom of the suitcase.
Put shoes and heavy things at the bottom of the suitcase. It makes it easier to carry.
Tip 3, use a packing list.
A packing list is a paper or note with everything you want to pack.
A list helps you remember. Say, let me check my packing list.
Tip 4, leave space for souvenirs.
Souvenirs means small gifts that you buy during travel.
I once bought a giant hat in Mexico, and it didn't fit in my suitcase. I had to wear it the whole flight back.
People thought he was the pilot.
Let's teach some useful everyday phrases for packing.
Here we go. Did I forget anything? Can you help me zip my suitcase? I think my bag is too heavy. Where is my passport? My suitcase won't close.
That last one is basically Jack's catchphrase.
Hey, I'm improving. I only had to sit on my suitcase twice this year.
Proud of you. Traveling is not just about packing. It's about new experiences, new people, new places.
Exactly. And when you pack the right way, you feel relaxed and ready.
So packing well helps you enjoy your trip more.
And remember, smart packing makes happy traveling.
Aw, that's actually nice.
I can be wise sometimes.
All right, friends, that's everything for today's episode of the SpeakUp Show. We hope you learned useful travel vocabulary and phrases.
Remember, pack light, pack smart, and don't forget snacks or your passport.
Let us know in the comments, what is one thing you always pack when you travel?
We'd love to read your answers.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time, and keep speaking up.
Speaking up.